You've seen a lot in your journey from a sysadmin into a DevOps engineer. What are the biggest changes you've seen, and how are you able to evolve your role over time?
Well, I was out of industry for around 15 years, and in that time, containers in the cloud happened. So initially, I feel like everything is different. The monolith services are broken up into individual components. Those are running in containers. It's orchestrated by Kubernetes and then maintained with CI, CD, and DevOps tools. System configurations are moving to a declarative nature, or has a configuration completely maintained by Ansible or Puppet or Chef, a number of other tools over time. And while all of this definitely feels different than the old days, the practice is largely the same. The DevOps role is to sit on the edge of your understanding between order and chaos and be the agent of change from chaos to order. And that's very similar to what complicated or difficult sysadmin tasks are.